How to add videos to home on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So it's really quite simple. So the first thing that we're going to do first is go to your profile right here and then just simply click on view your channel. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here. So to add videos to your homepage in your YouTube channel, just simply click on customize channel right here. And then afterwards, you'll be redirected here in your channel customization page. So in here, you'll get to edit your profile right here. So you can get to edit your banner image, your picture, your name, your handle, your description, and a lot more. And then right next to that tab right here is we have the home tab. So in here, we can add our videos right here to the home page of our YouTube channel. So you can add like featured videos right here for returning subscribers. So you can edit that video. So you can change or remove the video. So if you want to change the video, just simply click on change right here. And then after that, just choose the video that you want to add to that section. So for example, I'll choose this video right here. So I'll just click on this. And then there you go. We now have a video in our home page. You can also add other sections right here, like some layout sections. So just click on add section. From here, you can add like a channel trailer, a live now, past live streams, upcoming live streams, single playlists, and etc. etc. So as an example, I'll just add my short form videos. So I'll just click on short videos right here. And then as you can see that we now have a section right here which has all of our short videos. So you can move this around if you want to. So if you want to move this to the top, just drag it to the top. So I'll just drag it here to the top and then there you go. Next, I'll also add popular videos right here. So I'll just click on this and then there you go. We now have a section right here which has our most popular videos. So again, I'll just drag this to the top as well. I'll put this at the very top and then there you go. And then once you do all of these, make sure that the home tab right here is also switched on. Because if this is off, you can't show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. So make sure that this is on. And then you're pretty much done. So to save this, just simply click on publish. And then there you go. It's now done. So if you want to view it, just click on view channel right here. And then you'll be redirected here to your channel homepage. So as you can see over here, I now have my popular videos section right here. I also have my short video section, some channels that I recommend, the videos I made, some playlists, and etc. etc. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add videos to home on YouTube.